Hello viewers, today we are talking about Google new Gemini 2 Plus update. What's changed, what's new and how it affects you. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Here what's new. Gemini 2 Plus is now at the top of the menu, replace 1.5 Plus as the previous version. According to the Google, these updates bring faster response and better performance for tasks like brainstorming, learning and writing. Gemini Advanced users still get a 1 million token context window, allowing them to process large file up to 1500 pages. Upgrade image generation. Google has also improved image creation with its new Imagen 3 model, which offer more details, better texture and more accurate result. However, free user cannot generate images of people. This feature is only available in the advanced version. Gemini 2 Plus is rolled out to all users on the web and mobile app. Older version 1.5 Plus and Pro will remain available for new week before being phased out. Like, share and subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.